Hey guys, welcome to another video. Charlie here, and if you're a perfectionist, then this video is for you. Basically, if you ever feel like you are struggling with getting things done, maybe you have too much on your plate, you have all your week scheduled or your even month scheduled, it's probably due to the fact that you're a perfectionist. And being a perfectionist, it's not something bad. Actually, it's something very good. It means that you care about your work. It means you care about people, and you put in all your effort into everything to be perfect for them and to feel good about yourself. Problem is when you are feeling stressed because you have so many things to do and you're being perfectionist on all these small things that maybe you feel like only you could be doing, when the truth is you could actually be delegating them. Now, problem is, how do you know what to delegate, right? So what I there's something called the 95 and 5% rule, or 5% and 95% rule. It's similar to the Pareto rule, the 20-80 rule, but it's more targeted, right? It's more exaggerated. And what this means is that you have to make a list of all the things that are involved in your business. It could be things that you need to get done for your business to work. For example, creating video, creating content, making posts, making sales, accounting. It could be many things, right? Marketing, etc. Now you have all these things, but you don't know which ones are the most crucial and that only you can be doing, only you can do. Because there's gonna be things as well that maybe they're crucial, but someone else can be doing them, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab a piece of paper and a pencil and write down a list of all the things that you do in your business and all the things that need to get done in your business. Once you get that list, you're gonna divide them by priority. Which ones are all the important ones in your business, all the crucial things in your business, and what are all the things that are not so crucial. Now, you're gonna grab the crucial things and you're gonna divide them by two. Which things are the ones that only you can do? Maybe because you're the best, or because you don't trust someone else to do them, or because they are really that important, like they're the most important, like if you don't do this, then nothing works. And which are crucial, but you could try to put someone else to do them, you could teach them, whatever. Okay, now that you have this list, you're gonna put this on the march. You're gonna try it out, you're gonna delegate. Okay, now what are the things that you could encounter that don't work? Well, first of all, you can encounter that people don't do the work as you do it and it doesn't work. Now, the correct way to solve this problem is not like going a step backwards and saying, no, I have to do this, I can't delegate. You have to actually grab this person and tell them, hey, you're doing this like this. You can use the hamburger method. So you tell them something nice first, like, hey, you're doing a great job and I appreciate all that you're doing, but there's some things that I feel like you could be doing better. Let me teach you how to get them done. You teach them, you give them the bread, which is the compliment, then you give them the meat, which is how can they improve, and then you give them another bread and be like, hey, thanks for your time, I really have faith in you and I know that you can get this work done. And they go, they feel motivated, and you will probably find that people go on and actually make a better job. So this is it for today's video. So remember, 95-5% rule. You have to identify the 5% that makes the 95% of your business work and delegate that 95%. And you actually take care of those 2, 3, 4, 5 maximum things that are actually your 5. Because you don't want your plate full, you want your plate empty, like if you were losing weight in a bad way. You have to have your plate empty with very few things so that you can move faster. You want to feel lean, you want to go fast in your business, make decisions, important decisions, not be stuck with things that maybe you like doing but are not so important. That's it for today's video, guys. thank you for checking it out if you made it to the end. And comment below what things are you struggling in your business, in your fitness business. I will gladly check your comments and see how I can be of help. And I will be linking down in the description some tools and some resources that I feel that you could have benefit from them. So that's it for today's video, guys. Pura Vida.